Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got a chance to review of these cutting edge active noise cancelling headphone from Eaorul with the impressive 100-hour playtime. Whether you are a frequent traveler or just someone who loves high quality sound, so these Bluetooth are for you. So let's just unbox with me. Welcome again to my channel. This is unboxing and review vlog. So let's unbox with me. Let's see what's inside. So inside the box you will find the headphones. It's come with the user manual. And it's come with the USB-C charging cable with the 3.5 mm audio cable for the wired use. So if you're traveling on aeroplane, you can also connect with that. That's perfect. It comes with the carrying case, keep everything organized and protective. The carrying case is very pretty. The design is sleek and modern with a comfortable over-ear fit. The ear cups are made of plush memory foam that gently hug your ears, providing both comfort and excellent sound isolation. The adjustable headband ensures a snug fit for all head sizes. One of the standout features of these headphones is the active noise cancelling technology. With an ANC mode activated, you can block out background noise, making them perfect for flight, commuting, or just enjoying someplace quiet. Now let's talk about sound quality. These headphones deliver deep bass, crisp mid, and clear high, providing a balance of impressive audio experience. Whether you're into heavy bass track or classical music, these headphones won't disappoint you. This A30 ANC headphone, easy to connect. Just turn on the power, turn on your Bluetooth, just click H30 and it's connected. The power button is also used for multifunction. So if you play music, you can pause the music with the same. Just one click, you can pause the music. It's very easy. And if you just press plus sign for 2 seconds, you can skip the song to the next video. They're very easy to use. Can skip easily. This headphone can be connected with multiple devices like your TV, your PC, tablet. Battery life is another area where these headphones shine, with up to 100-hour playtime on a single charge. So you can go days without worrying about recharging the headphone. So I'm gonna try that. I already charged my phone. I already charged my headphone. And I headed to gym. I'm gonna spend an hour over here, and then I came home enjoying my tea. My headphone is still on and I'm cooking. It's already cooking time while I'm using my headphone. And my husband was traveling for 2 days, so I told him to take that headphone without the charger, so I'm going to see how it works. So I definitely recommend this. So whether you're traveling, working out, or just relaxing at home, they adapt your lifestyle seamlessly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Order yours today. I'm going to share the link in the description.